guys, so I am Model of NYC. If you don't know, I am a young vlogger, you know, and I hope everyone enjoys, like, share, subscribe my videos, and shout out to Lex for giving me this platform right now to be able to welcome myself as a new YouTuber. Thanks.
This is what you need to get, okay?
I don't got social media no more, so I can't say you follow me yet.
Follow me at Bonjour the Grandma, Raspberry Field. I need to start back at her. Oh my God.
You have gotta lose your pride. You have gotta lose your mind just to find your peace of mind. You have gotta trust the signs.
This has literally became my favorite song in the past 5 hours. I've been listening to it on repeat for 5 hours straight. Like, seriously. Okay, you ready?
Okay.
Where is Tyler there?
Please, and be first. He did. Argue me.
Oh, Lord. I don't like the camera.
It's like, man, stop. I'm fancy.
Happy birthday to you.
Make a wish.
How old are you?
Alright, I'm 19, going on 20. Alright.
Hey.
Oh, no, I'm stuck in the dress. Trying to write that story to show me. Take a picture of me. China, shut up. She killing me. China, come on. All you do is pee. Oh, cute. Oh yeah, we need. Come on, get in the camera.
We can. Takis, oh, just send me the pictures. China, send me the ones Lex sent you. Let's send yours.
Why are we walking so fast? Why am I all the way behind y'all? Come on, I need to catch up.
I don't know. Are you recording? I'm trying not to say that secret
Because I make YouTube videos.
Oh.
She said, why? She said, why are you recording everything?
I sent it. I hope they'll win.
What? I'm confused. What are they even talking about? I keep stepping on my freaking skirt. Hey, Ty.
What's that?
How about they're taking all the ice cream? So we can have more interaction with our guests. You used to bring them ice or something? No, we got make bags of ice this year. That's unacceptable. I mean, I'll make it because I'm not a man.
Oh, for the phone.
Girl, was it that?
Bro, you should have gave us some free parking
He was like,
tickets.
you're old enough to drive.
I know, that's the one's not open.
That was bad. I would have gone that way.
Which garage y'all in?
You hungry too? I'm hungry.
Me too. I got steak in your house though.
Steak in the house.
Oh shit.
You fancy. If we going to go eat, we might as well just walk back up there and see they got some food. No, they expensive. Hold up.
It's 12. They might not let us in.
Oh, they not letting us in.
Oh, we
We
got
can't go.
Oh, this is
Oh, I thought y'all was trying to eat it.
What is this, y'all?
I didn't know he was eating. I didn't know he was eating.
Oh, no, we can go.
I didn't know what's going on. I think they about to close.
Wanna say hi?
You know, Maryland, they close
A&T,
early in Maryland.
Freshman sophomore, Aggie Fried.
BSU, you know. How BSU.
I was about to say we all HBCUs, but never mind. I'm sorry. I was just saying, that was not being shady. I was just about to say all HBCUs.
Lord.
Oh, that's brother Jimmy.
Oh, I didn't know the entrance was right here.
Dang, he riding up a car that got the blinkers on it.
Let's get in. Where we going, y'all? The entrance right here.
Oh.
Y'all trying to tour.
Y'all trying to tour.
Y'all trying
Yeah,
to
we just.
Put your ticket in right here. Oh my God. Watch your shit about to be like
$11.
She will take $12.
$11.
They said $11 is the flat rate, right?
Oh, it's 10.
10. We ain't been in that long. Oh, y'all been here long to be some babies.
Damn. You really trying to do that to us?
I'm just saying. We was in, y'all was in this.
Because y'all the black people want to come late and shit. We the early rising.
Look around. I had to go to my brother's graduation, guys. Did you think it stopped? No, they was making. What's wrong with it? You put me two bottles of Moss. No. We only take two. We don't even Watch it. She jumped like this.
So paranoid.
We're not turned, guys. We're not turned. We need to stop it. When they shoot, be like,
Why would you go?
But look,
Why would you go look?
right.
To see if they shoot?
I can press the close button.
See if
This
they.
don't look like us, Bree.
Is this us? You found us?
Is this us? Us too.
Oh gosh.
This is second.
We don't know where we going. Stupid. I can't even run with this long skirt. Oh my gosh. Bye.
July birthday is coming.
Okay. Lord Jesus.
Weak, y'all. Y'all fucking weak as shit. You want McDonald's?
We're going to McDonald's.
Come on, get in the car.
That's the first thing she said. I was about to say, where it start at? Alright, back. Here you go.
Milkshake already at home for me.
Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Oh yeah. Grocery shopping with my mom looks like what? It's just a whole bunch of stuff we just basically doing here. Don't go grocery shopping when you're hungry. Don't do it. Don't do it. So guys, this will be my first time trying this. I will let you know how it is. So I already mixed it up. It's pretty good. It is the salted caramel. Yeah, salted caramel crunch. It's really good. Really good. Get that, y'all. Try it. Try it. It's pretty good. If you like caramel and salty, try it. It's pretty good. Pretty good. Look, Noel. Say hi.
Too many people.
There's only 2 of us in here.
Yeah.
Who you talking to?
That's
To...
no.
I don't think the grease hot anyway. said she just wrote. They're done.
I'm tired now. Relit. What it say? Your rank update. Ah, yeah! What it say? Number 3. I was killing you.
Oh shit! Before the icing.
Okay, we'll let this sit for a couple minutes.
Alright, everyone, listen up. Listen up. If you haven't had
Hey you guys, so this is the end of this week's vlog. I have a special video coming up that will be about my freshman year, how I moved through my transition, how it all worked out, how I made friends, how the classes go. So I'll be sure to have that video up, I'd say by next week. So look out for that, and I'll be sure to have it at the top of this video so you guys can check it out, and I'll see you guys then.